Hello everyone, my name is Kavinatira Bursut from Thailand. I'm a senior year aerospace engineering student to Chulalongkorn University. I changed my field of work to developer and am currently doing an internship as an iOS developer at Oddee company. So today I will talk about how to make a career switch to a developer. So come to the first question, why you would like to be a programmer? For me, in my life in university, actually I'm interested in working in other areas rather than the field that I have studied. Therefore, I spend my time on internship to find myself what I like and what I would like to do. And anyway, I have the opportunity to work as an internship in the venture builder team to develop a new product in tech startup. I have participated in the project and run the business since ideation until it launched. So I come to reflect myself and see what kind of work that I like. So I would like to suggest everyone who would like to shift your work to programmer. At first, you may not specific in job position, but you can consider what kind of work you like to do and what you don't like to do, and then bring fit in with the right job position. For my part, I got the answer that I would like to be a programmer because I am interested in tech startup company and I want to be involved in developing a new product, developing a new good feature to meet the customer need. Moreover, in detail of coding, I enjoy to solve the problem. It's like a challenging in gamification. So lastly, I'm interested in new technology and curious about the new things that will affect our daily life. How technology works will be in the future is make me feel enthusiasm and enjoy the work in this section. So I went to learn more about building a website or application through online learning institutions. Is it difficult to change your field of work and how long does it take? My major in engineering, which is the aerospace engineering, doesn't relate to the programming. So I spent my time for around 6 months during I study in the senior year in university to learn online course and take an internship program. So I start learning the algorithm and logic in the programming using Python, and then learning JavaScript to develop website using React and Node.js framework, which most popular in nowadays. And it's a basic step of the junior programmer or developer. For a third question, why you intern as an iOS developer? First of all, actually, I applied for a job in the web developer position, and I was sent to the customer company as a vendor to develop the mobile application for mobile banking, which was initially using a React framework, but it was changed to completely native iOS and Android. And in early stage, I feel worried because developing mobile application is different from developing website. But after I was learning for a while, I understand that if we have the basic in reading a programming code, when you need to change the framework, you can always learn the new one in each job. Beginner developer may stick with those frameworks because they are popular or mostly used in the large company. And by the way, for example, a software house company that accepts a job from the customer to solve the worst kind of problem. That will make the company and people in that company are faced with a variety of framework. So learning the new things and not stopping improving themselves is an important skill in working in this field. For those of you who don't like the routine and would like to challenging, developing is a great choice because you will meet the new things all the time. For the third question, pros and cons of being developer. In addition to being challenging, what are the cons of being a developer? We need to consider this point first before deciding to change your field of work. In terms of pros, it is a high-paid career and high demand in the digital transformation era. Every business wants to change to keep up with technology and also earn additional income as well. And on the other hand, it's hardworking under stress and pressure. And more than that, as a programmer in technical part, there are many different options or technology for you to choose from, like framework or tools. In my opinion, it can be confusing and it's hard to keep up with all technology going on. What are you doing might have to change and switch to a new one in the next 1 month. You need to keep on track all the time. It's called that you may not be specialized at one thing, but it will be at the level where you can, because you haven't spent time studying that thoroughly. There are new things that need to be studied. By the way, it's always challenging yourself in learning new things. For the last question, how do you do a new graduate with no programmer experience? Everyone might conceive that in applying for a job, you must graduate from computer science. By the way, it depends on the company as well. Some company may be specific that if they do not graduate from computer science, they will not accept. But nowadays, there are many companies that provide the opportunities for other faculty or other field can apply for a job in this field. And how to outstanding and being different. In other field of work, you may be able to view the capabilities through the resume, but if you are applying for a developer job, you will need to include the framework, language programming, or internship experience in this area. You might test your logical skill through an algorithm question that you can practice through the lead code or code wall. And in addition, maybe you can create a project on the GitHub and show your talent. Every career in the world is very difficult of itself. There is no easy career, but if anyone interested or ready to devote their time to studying it, I believe everyone can do it. Another important thing is the discipline. Concentrate and focus on the goal. Discipline will allow what you are aiming for. Thank you.